heard about my robot friend. He's metal and small and doesn't judge me at all. He's a cyber wire bundle of joy, my robot friend. I like to dimp and daddle with my robot friend. He's smart as can be and emotion free, and he's computed his way to my heart, my robot friend. My robot friend. My robot friend. My robot friend.
Hi boys and girls, today we are going to do a science experiment, and I want to show you how we can get rid of germs by just using regular soap and water. You probably have been hearing a lot from parents and from the news and teachers telling you that to make sure you wash your hands with soap and water to get rid of germs. So you can try this experiment at home. All you need is a bucket or a bowl of just clear water, and then find something to sprinkle in so that you can make sure you can show that it's the germs. So I grabbed some glitter from school, but you can also use pepper or some kind of spice, and I'm going to pretend that the glitter are the germs. So I'm going to sprinkle some germs inside the water. And look at all those germs. I kind of put a lot, but look at all those germs in the water. Now germs, real germs, are so tiny that they're invisible to our eye, but that's why I made it red. But did you know that if you touch something with germs on it, look how easy it gets stuck on your hand. Look at all those germs on my hand. Pretty gross, huh? Now, people say, oh, just wash your hands. If you wash your hands, you're not going to get sick. You'll get rid of the germs. Well, look how true that is. I just got regular dish soap, and I'm going to put a drop into the germ water, and look what happens to the germs when the soap hits it. Whoa, do you see that? It just ran away from the soap because the soap kills the germs. Pretty cool, isn't it? Try it at home, it's fun. And now, joke time with Robbie. What sound does a robot sheep make? Beep, beep. Ah.